Today our topic is area and perimeter of compound shapes. So what are the compound shapes? Compound shapes means shape that we get by combining or joining two or more simple shapes. What are the simple shapes? Like triangle, this is a simple shape, rectangle, and square, circle, these are the simple shapes, or semicircle. This is a shape. Now by combining these shapes we get a compound shape. Like if you combine triangle and rectangle like this, first we draw triangle and rectangle. So the half shape is triangle, the upper shape this is triangle, and then this shape is rectangle. So combining two shapes we get a compound shape. And what is area and perimeter? So suppose this is a circle. So what is the area? The inside space, this is the inside part of a boundary. This is called the area, the shaded part. This is the area. And what is the perimeter? Side boundary. This is the border outside the area. This is the perimeter. What are compound shapes? The compound shape is made by combining two or more simple shapes. Like I have already told you. Simple shapes are triangles, circles, rectangles. By combining those shapes, we get a compound shape. These are also called composite shapes. Now the perimeter of compound shape. So this is a compound shape, like this is a rectangle and this is another rectangle. So by combining two rectangles we get a compound shape. So what is the perimeter? We simply sum of all the sides. Perimeter is simply sum of all the sides. So this is one side, second, third, fourth, and this side is missing, so we will calculate it like this. First divide this into two shapes, like this is the first rectangle. So sum of all the sides, this is 4 plus 9 plus 10 plus 5, and this side is missing. So as whole side is 10 and one side is 4, so obviously the remaining side will be 6, because 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So sum of all the sides is called the perimeter of that shape. What is the area of a compound shape? We can calculate the area of a shape like this. For example, draw the compound shape. Split this shape into two shapes. Like the first one is triangle and the second one is rectangle. Now if we write the measurements here, like 2, then we have 3, 5 and 6. So how we can calculate the area of this compound shape? The first we will split this shape into two shapes. First one is triangle and second one is rectangle. So what is the area of triangle? This one, half base multiply height. So 1/2 base multiply height, that means 3 multiply 2, 3 into 2 6, and 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So area of triangle is 3, and the formula of area of rectangle is length multiply width, that means 5 multiply 6. So 5 into 6 equals to 30. So now find the area of this compound shape, sum both the values. 3 plus 30 equals to 33. So 33 is the total area of this compound shape. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides, and to find the area, first we split the shapes into two or more shapes. Depends upon how much shape you have added to make a compound shape. So split the shapes, then find separately their areas, and lastly sum all the areas, and that will be the total area of your compound shape. Like 33 is the area of these two shapes, like triangle and rectangle. Where you can use this concept area and perimeter, where you can find this, finding the floor area for tiling. If you want to put tiles on your floor, firstly you need to find the area of that floor. There you can use this by measuring the border length for a fence. Like this is a grass, and outside that grass there is fence. So you need to find the border of that fence. There you can apply this. Then if you want to paint your walls, you need to find the area of that wall and perimeter of that wall. In these situations you can apply this concept area and perimeter.